Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and this week has been fairly busy. I have been working on creating a fitting mock-up for my friend that is attending a wedding of the Bryant gown by Charm Patterns. I am using this version of the dress. It is the longer version. I have made some changes to the pattern to make it a one-shouldered, and I have also altered the sleeve pattern in order to make it into more of a bishop style sleeve for her. And I will be using a African print lace on top of a crepe back satin. Because it is a lace, you do have a lot of see-through areas, so I had to make it modest for her. And I am also changing the back of this dress in order to be able to have a corset style back for her. That way I can go from there. I have also removed the fisheye darts from this dress because the waist of this dress comes in a lot smaller than what my friend's waistline is. So I am omitting the fisheye darts from this dress, and that's why I need her to try it on. But I've got about a week to get this dress finished for her, so I am waiting for her to try on my mock-up so I could cut into the fabric and make some changes. I did originally want to make her this version, but I'm not going to have the time to actually do this version because I haven't been able to get her measurements in time. So I am taking her measurements and making this dress for her because we are on time constraints now. Now, a couple other things I've been doing this week is I've been reading Grading Techniques for Modern Design. I did go ahead and purchase it from this seller on Etsy, which I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. So if you would like to download this book also, you can. It does come in a set of 2 downloads, but I was able to combine them and upload them to my library on Kindle, so I have it on my cell phone and my other items for me to be able to read it whenever I'm not actually doing something, and to really understand grading, because I do want to get a couple of my patterns out to you that I have made for myself, including the white dress and some of the other things that I have made that I want to offer that as patterns for you. I have also used 3 different underwear patterns here lately. And the reason why I am showing everything on computer screen is because this is underwear and I didn't want to share my underwear with the world that I'm actually making for myself, or share them on myself because I'm not comfortable with that at this time. I have made a couple of these little bralettes and they fit wonderfully and they are so comfortable. I will say that this little bralette is extremely comfortable. I have also used this pattern by Megan Nelson. I believe that's how you say it. I've used this pattern to make me a couple of pair of panties. And then I have also used the Madeline Noel panty also to make me a couple of other pair of underwear, which this is my most comfortable pair. It does come up a lot higher, and I've learned that I like the higher waisted underwear. Now, I have learned how I can cut down on the waist of these, but I have just fallen in love with both of these patterns, and that's what I've been up to this week. So sorry, nothing really big has happened this week other than I've been working on this gown, and hopefully I will be able to share the making of this dress. If not, I'll upload some other information next week. All right, guys, y'all have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Bye.